Oh my god. Oh god. Hello, it's me again, Shira from Foodie Meets Food. Today we're going to Wavy Wings, which is a ghost kitchen located in the city center. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and stay until the end of the video just to see the full review. A ghost kitchen is basically a kitchen where they professionally prepare your food and you can only collect or they deliver. You can never eat in.
Hope you enjoy.
Thank you. Right, we have gotten our goodies. Still don't know what's in there. I haven't even opened it to see. I want to open it with you guys so we can have the experience together. Napkin, a fork, and the food. Are we ready? Ooh. That smells and looks good. Right, we're gonna start with the chips. I think the chips have got a bit of flavor from the wings. Oh wow.
Doing her makeup. It's therapeutic. And what does that feel nice to brush over your head?
Either that or the seasoning is spot on.
When I do your makeup, you're gonna feel.
That's good. Actually, oh, sprinkles. Sprinkles on the waffle. Before I carry on, what we have on here is 2 wings which are saucy, 2 are just seasoned. They've just got spice and seasoning. 1 waffle which has been cut into half, chips at the bottom, and a chicken burger, a chicken thigh burger. The waffles look really nice. Tastes like heaven. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's such good flavor. Oh my goodness. Crispy on the outside, cooked perfectly inside, perfectly cooked. Oh, it kind of tastes like a cake. It's nice and sweet, and the crispiness from the outside. So we'll try the saucy wing. Oh god. Oh my god, that's a nice flavor of wing. Oh. Really well cooked, not overcooked. Just right. Oh, you thought I'm passing it to you?
I did.
As long as you'll give me yours. Listen, I had to let him try it. I had to. The chips have been seasoned really well. The waffle, perfect. The wing, nice and saucy. It hasn't been overcooked, hasn't been undercooked. Really, really flavorful. And nice. It's not like filled with sauce for you not to taste the wing. So you're tasting both the wing and the sauce. Nothing can be better than that. Oh my god. That is good. I'm glad I took a saucy one and a dry herb one. Oh my god. Oh god. That is so good. Filled with flavor. I think they marinate it maybe overnight or even 24 hours. The flavor in it, the seasoning, it's got enough salt, enough seasoning. The crunchiness from the wing. Oh, the crunchiness from that wing is to die for. Right, let's try the burger. Ooh. this is a chicken thigh burger. See how you'd expect the chicken to get soggy and not have the crunchiness? It still has the crunchiness. You can taste the seasoning from the chicken as if it's been marinated properly, like maybe even overnight for a long time, so you can taste all the flavors in it. Oh, love it. Love it. And the crunchiness has not gone away even after putting sauce and cheese on it. So the burger has got, it's been toasted, then it's got some sauce which has chilies, because I can see the chilies, then it has cheese, of course the chicken, and some lettuce at the bottom. The balance in flavor, texture, look, it looks so good. I would like to say what's my favorite among everything on this box. I haven't got a favorite. I love it all together. Like if I'm going to Wavy Wings again, I would get it all together again. And it's also a bargain because all of this cost me £15. It's £12 without the waffle. If you pay for the waffle, it's £3. So in total, it's £15. Worth the price. And this is enough for 2 people, for sure. For sure. Overall, Wavy Wings, I love you guys. Can I be your brand ambassador and try your food every other day? Can I? I love the wings, I love the waffles, I love the fries, and I love the burger. That's it for today. We've had a lovely time eating this food. I hope you've had a lovely time watching us eating the food, and it's kind of convinced you to go to Wavy Wings because my oh my, you're missing out on life itself. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.